Hey, this is Jimmy Beach with an exposure quick tip video from Alien Skin Software. This video shows you how to copy image edits to the clipboard so you can reuse them on another image. Let's take a look at how it works. I just finished editing a photo from a portrait session. I set the white balance, increased exposure and contrast, and applied sharpening with the controls in the detail panel. I selectively added skin softening with the brush tool in a second layer. In a third layer, I added one of Exposure's film emulation presets to enhance the shot. As a final step, I used Exposure's spot heal tool to remove some flyaway hairs from the model's face. With the editing complete, I want to copy the adjustments to the clipboard so I can paste them on the rest of the photos from the shoot. With the image selected, I will open the Edit menu. Choosing Copy All settings will copy all the edits I've made to the photo. I'd like to select which edits are copied, so instead I'll choose Copy Settings. This brings up the Copy Settings dialog. Along the top are the base adjustments, which are edits that aren't part of any layer. These options are unchecked by default because the effects are usually specific to each image. In the Layers section, there are options for layer opacity, masks, and the color or black and white setting, in addition to a list of checkboxes that correspond to each of Exposure's editing panels. Underlined options on this dialog indicate that there have been adjustments made to those controls. Note the Layers selection options. Apply to all layers allows you to select which edits are copied for all layers at once, while Choose per layer enables you to select edits for each layer separately. Local adjustments don't always translate to all the other images from a session. For example, the model wasn't in the exact same location for all the photos in this shoot. By default, Exposure omits spot heal effects. I'll deselect the mask. This will copy the skin softening layer, but it will not include the mask. Then I'll click Copy. Now I can select all the images in the folder, minus the one I just finished editing, and paste the settings with Command-Shift-V, or I can use the Edit menu and select the Paste Settings option. Now all the images from the shoot have a similar look and feel. I can go through each of them one at a time to apply any further refinements. And that covers it for this quick tip video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorial videos on using Exposure. If you haven't used Exposure yet, try it free for 30 days.